woke up feeling stiff, foggy, like your body made it to morning but your energy hasn't caught up? This is your 5-minute jumpstart, head to toe. Let's hit the mat. Let's start from the ground down because tension hides in your hamstrings. Stand hip width apart, knees soft, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Let your arms dangle or grab opposite elbows. Gently sway side to side. You're going to feel the stretch down the hamstrings, calves and spine. Gravity doing the work, not force. This unlocks your posterior chain and sets your nervous system into reset mode. I promise your body will feel light after this. The hips are next, and they've got some stories to tell. Relax your neck and drop 1 inch deeper. Are you folding from the hips or collapsing from the back? That just opened your back line. Now let's rotate into range. Let's take that forward fold and add movement, because mobility loves motion. Step wide, feet slightly turned out. Reach for your right foot, then rise to center. Reach for your left. Keep the rhythm fluid. You're gonna feel your inner thigh stretch and lengthen, spine rotating gently. This dynamic stretch preps your whole lower body for real-world movement like walking, lifting, and staying pain-free. This also activates your obliques. Yes, your core is working here. Add a micro pause at each side. 5 more seconds. Are you rotating through your ribs or reaching from your shoulders? That just unblocked the sides. Now let's bring in the base. This is the move most people skip, which is exactly why we don't. Start in a forward fold, drop your hips into a deep squat, lift your chest, arms inside your knees, lift your hips back up, still folding forward, and repeat. You're gonna feel your hips opening, ankles working, glutes engaging. This builds active mobility, where strength meets flexibility. I promise you'll walk tall after this. Let's get more fluid with the hip rotations next. Pause at the bottom, own that squat. Are you keeping your heels grounded or are they sneaking up? That just activated your foundation. Time to mobilize the hips. This move brings the hips back online. Smooth, steady, and essential. Kneel tall, hands on hips or thighs. Shift hips in a circular pattern, forward, side, back. 30 seconds each direction, smooth and steady. You're gonna feel your hip flexors, glutes, and lower spine moving as one. This improves pelvic control and hip freedom. 2 things that make everything else feel easier. Circular hip motion also reduces lumbar stiffness. Can you circle wider without losing control? Last 5 seconds. Is your breath matching your motion or are you holding tension? That just smoothed out your base. Now we finish with an open spine. This is where we surrender the spine and let the breath lead. From tabletop, walk your hands forward. Keep hips over knees, lower chest to the mat. Forehead rests, arms extended. You're gonna feel your chest opening, shoulders stretching, spine lengthening. This move decompresses your spine and clears tension that builds from screens, slouching, and stress. Poppy pose resets your nervous system. Yes, for real. Reach 1 inch further. Sink into the stretch. Are you holding your jaw? Let it go. Let it all go. That just sealed your reset from the hips to the heart. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.